Your platformer in GDevelop feels boring? Don't worry, in this video I will show you 4 simple mechanics to make your platformer better. Let me show you what we got. First, our platformer character has a platformer object behavior and smooth camera behavior, while our ground has the behavior of platform. So now we will first add a new extension. Search for Advanced Platformer Movement and install it in the project. Now we will add 4 behaviors to the platformer character. So first we will add the wall jump, and then we will add dash, and then dive dash, and at last we will add the air jump or CO time. Now we will add a new event. First, add a condition of key press. We can select any key. I choose left shift. And then you can copy and paste and make any condition. Now search for dash key press for player, and instead of left shift at the bottom we will choose left control or anything else, whatever you want, and then search for simulate dive key for player. So as we can see, we can dash. We can also wall climb, which I am a little failing, but it's easy. We can also dive dash by pressing control, left control actually, and we can also double jump and dash. We can pass huge platforms using this, which is huge for your game. And the fun fact, you can use wall jump plus dash to actually wall climb. That's a feature I don't know how was added. If the guide was helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe the channel for more tutorials and videos like this. Thanks for watching.